Begin with a moment of silence, then delve into the great mystery of life and death. In the book of Revelation, chapter 1, verse 18, a profound statement is made. It reads, "I am he that liveth and was dead, and behold, I am alive forevermore, amen, and have the keys of hell and of death." This is a declaration from Jesus, a testament to his divinity. For who else but God holds the keys to death and hell? This is not a power granted to any created being, but solely to the Creator. It's a statement that echoes the omnipotence of God, transcending the temporal realm, touching the eternal. Jesus' words are not just a proclamation, but a promise of life, of salvation, of victory over death. It's a message of hope. For if Jesus holds the keys to death and hell, then in him we too may find life everlasting. So let these words inspire you, let them resonate in your heart. For in understanding them, you find the greatest truth. Jesus is God, the one who holds power over death and hell, and in him we find our hope, our salvation, and our future.